Okay, so I've got the bypass pulley in place. So this bolt here is the same as this bolt here. Problem is, there's not enough room. So the way I solved that is, I took the bolt, I cut it down, if I can get back in there. I cut the bolt down, I ground a notch in it. You can see that for a screwdriver. I'm backing it out. And this way, I'm not missing a bolt. It's still holding it in there securely. But now, I don't have to mess with it. And, I mean, this thing is completely solid. I mean, there's no give in that anymore. So, there you have it. That's the way you bypass that system. Don't forget to put some of your other bolts back on, and then I'm gonna put the tensioner back on, and I'm gonna start gutting pretty much everything that's in the front here. Just taking stuff apart. I've also bypassed that heater core. I'm gonna have to go get a 90-degree little elbow for this because it's got a kink in it, but I ended up getting this fitting at O'Reilly's because this is a 15 millimeter, and this is, well, it's something else. I think it's like a 15 millimeter or 15.9 millimeter, something like that. So anyway, I connected the two. It's now looped together. No heater core, no nothing. Like I said, I think I'm going to get a little 90-degree elbow fitting and make this a little cleaner, but that's it. No heat, no AC, no nothing. It's finally gone.